Having trouble with your Xiaomi phone not ringing or missing important SMS messages? That can be really annoying. Usually this happens because of SIM settings, app glitches, or network issues. No need to stress, I'll guide you through the fix step by step. Let's dive in. Now, before diving in, try this simple trick to refresh your mobile network. Open your phone dialer, dial *#*# 4636 #*#*. Select phone information 1 or 2 depending on the SIM you're using. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Now restart your phone. A simple reboot can sometimes clear out temporary glitches. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear phone and messages app cache. Built-up cache can sometimes cause the apps to malfunction. It's true even for your system apps. So press and hold on to your phone app first. Then tap the I or app info. Select Clear Data. Now tap Clear Cache and confirm your choice. Once this is done, go back to your home screen and press and hold on to your Messages app this time. Tap the I or app info. Select Clear Data. After that, tap Clear Cache and confirm your choice. If you don't have important messages, you can also clear data, as this can help you fix the problem more effectively. Now restart your phone and check your problem again. Solution 2. Check call barring settings. If call barring is enabled, outgoing and incoming calls will not work. Go to the phone app, tap the gear icon in the top. Now in the bottom, tap on Advanced Settings. Scroll down a bit and select call barring. And if you see that the switches for call barring are turned on, simply turn them off from here. Make sure to turn off all the toggle switches. It's good to be safe than sorry. After disabling it, check your issue. Solution 3. Reset app permission. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. On the App Management page, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right. Select Other Settings. Now select Reset App Preferences and confirm your choice. This will reset app permissions, but don't worry, you won't lose any data. After this, messaging and calling apps will regain necessary access. See if your problem is fixed now. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap on More Connectivity Options or Connection and Sharing. Scroll down and tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will not erase your data, but it will reset all your network connections. So after this, hopefully your problem will get fixed. That's all for now. You've learned how to fix the incoming call and SMS problem on your Xiaomi phone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy Xiaomi tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.